sometimes it's so easy, it's so basic once you talk about it
Mm.
and you get the feedback. And then you go like, why didn't I do this a decade ago? Well, it was a lot going on.
Mm.
So I think, yeah, I think you've got to be a little, honest. Yes. Number two, but a bit careful here to layer on judgment onto yourself. You're once you understand that this is, yes, it's your environment and your wiring. That's not a free ticket now to go, well, okay, there's nothing I can do about it.
Yeah.
Of course, there's something you can do about it. It's about saying, okay, now I'm going to take action.
Yeah. And sometimes it could be just as a result of circumstance. Maybe there was a family emergency, a medical emergency that had to mean that you had to take on a lot of debt to help someone else that was, very important to you. And now you're staring a lot of this bad debt in the face, and it wasn't your fault really. It was just victim of circumstance. That happens, absolutely. But I think we have to be careful where we put control, because if we just give up and we just pretend it's not gonna change, you give up control. You give control to someone else, the bank or whoever. And that's very difficult to escape that circumstance if you don't have control anymore.